Hi guys, this is Sakib Jamali here, and now you are watching Sakib Jamali 533 YouTube channel. So guys, so many students ask me the same question like that, sir, what was your major project? So as a senior, today I am going to introduce you our major project. Basically, in 7th semester of mechanical engineering, we had submitted our project. Our project title was manually operated beach cleaning machine. So without wasting time, I am going to start you introduce you to our project. Uh, so first of all, introduction of beach cleaning machine. The coastal areas beaches are main attraction for the tourist. So in attracting the tourist, the beach must be kept clean. You know very well that. So as an engineer, for the purpose of cleaning the beaches, some cleaning machine must be used. So we have manufactured a cleaning machine which is helpful to in cleaning the beaches. Guys, I already said you that this is not a project report, it's just a slide to introduce our project, that what was our project and what is working and principle of this. So a beach cleaning machine is a vehicle that drags a raking or shifting device over beach sand to remove rubbish and other foreign matters. Uh, that this basically this project is used to clean the rubbish and foreign matter from the beaches. So the second point is that the machine can be operated by manually operated or automated or semi-automated. Through three types we can operate this machine: manually operated, automated, and semi-automated. But our project is related to manually operated beach cleaning machine, because due to COVID-19 period, I have not enough time to work on that. So we had prepared manually operated beach cleaning machine. Beach cleaning machine works by sand, by way of scope or drag mechanism, and then raking or shifting anything large enough to be considered foreign matters, including sticks, plastics, big stones, etc. You know guys, this machine is also used to collect the big stones, plastics, and including sticks. So also it's a advantage of our project. Now next point is the motor is responsible for driving the mechanism of conveyor. The stainer attached to the conveyor will collect the wastage from the surrounding and transfer to the storage bucket through the conveying be it. In automatic beach cleaning machine, there are three technology used: racking technology, shifting technology, and combined racking and shifting technology. Basically, there are used two technology: racking technology and shifting technology. Uh, so this is a model of our project. Model and a design. This is dimension. You can see here. This was drawn before the starting of project. The length of this project is 30 inch and width is 24 inch, and this height of our project is 29 inch, and inclined height you can see here, this is 40 inch. So this was all overview about dimension of our machine. Now model and design. After starting to work on it, first of all we had we had draw AutoCAD model through AutoCAD software for how look like our project. So this was our AutoCAD model of beach cleaning machine. You can see here, this is 3D of beach cleaning machine design. You can see now a modification in design. So guys, you guys know very well that this project is also exist. So we thought that we must shoot something modification in design. So we had some modified it. First of all, we have added adjustable handle in manually operated beach cleaning machine, which will be comfortable for the people. It means that man to man height vary, so it will be comfortable for all people according to height. So we have added my second modification in this project is we have added adjustable handle at that point, where apply to less force to move the machine, because we guys know that to move the machine we need more force. We had adjust at that point at the handle where we have to apply minimum force. And now this is the figure of modification of design. There are some holes to adjust the handle, and the point where we had added this adjustable handle. So guys, this was modification in design. Now procedure. So so many guys want to know that what is procedure of our project. So first of all, we have taken some squirrel pipes. Then my first working procedure is like that. First of all, we have used welding procedure for making a frame of machine. According to drawing, first of all, we had welding process for making frame. After making frame, we have assembled tires with frame. Then third procedure is we have assembled shaft on frame with a mounted ball bearing to reduce friction. We know guys very well that to reduce friction we have to apply ball and bearing. In our project we applied for two pairs of ball and bearing because there are two shafts exist. Now my third procedure is after assembling of shaft, we have added chain drive mechanism on shaft. Chain will rotate with a rotating shaft. So my next procedure, roller chain will move on sprocket wheel attached with sprocket bearing to reduce friction and for easy comfort motion. Then after my next point is like that. Then after we attached fire net on beach cleaning machine, which prevent trace picked by hooked and falling on the ground. So my next point is this wire net also do another work in allow sand to pass foam net, only trace will remain and all sand drop down the ground. So this was also advantage of our project and procedure. Now next procedure is we have welded the metal hook on chain to pack the waste material, plastic etc. Also guys, we have to weld it on the chain because we are rotating we want to rotate shaft through chain. So my next point is after that we have attached AC motor with shaft to over the shaft, and with movement of shaft rolling chain will also be moved. When shaft will move through AC motor, then the chain will also will move. The next procedure is that then lastly we have attached adjustable handle which is comfortable and take less force to move the machine. This is adjustable, that is why all people can move that easily. Now guys, you can see here this is the picture clicked during making of frame when I was working on lab. This was a frame, this was our frame, and this is also a length and the width, and this is height, and this is in inclined height guys. Now assembles of shaft and chain. This picture is clicked during when I was assembling chain and chain drive and shaft. This was first shaft, and this is second shaft. You can see here, and one pair of ball and bearing here, and second pair is here. So this is motorcycle chain. And now next, guys, inserting the handle and the wire net and AC motor. So this is wire net, you can see here, this is wire net, and this is handle. This is handle. You guys, if you are seeing that this is there are some holes to adjust this handle. And now this is AC motor guys, and this is wire. So this is hooks to collect the foreign materials. And now this picture is also clicked during working on lab. Now trace collecting bag, this was trace collecting bags, because this is very comfort to move from here. So we use look like trace collecting bag of plastic. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to more video regarding this our project, then comment below and ask me question if any inquiry is. So thank you very much.